we are in the injection plastic machine. First we have the hopper that contains the material and dry it. Then we have the injection cannon that have a screw inside of here. Then we have this fixed platter and the moving platter that have our molds. They have to be secure. Here we have our control pad. We have two emergency buttons, one inside, one in front of here, and the other back side. And that's it.
Okay, so here we have our molds. To make our plastic piece, we have to put this mold over this one and fix it together so that our piece can come out correctly. To use the plastic, we have to put the plastic in this injection point so that it comes over here and fills the whole mold so that it can come correctly. Then we can cut this piece so that the plastic is complete. Some mistakes that can happen is that the mold doesn't fill up correctly and the piece is incomplete. Another mistake that can happen is in this case, this one is correctly, and this one, the machine was heated for a long time, so this plastic piece is burned. And that's it.
Now that my partner already explained you the main parts of this machine, I'm going to tell you how it works. First, we need to create the color, and they explained us that for every 100 pieces of polypropylene that it's natural, you only need to get 2 pieces of the color that you need. That means that you only need 2% of the color that you want to create. This is really useful because a lot of people doesn't know this and they spend a lot of money because the one on color is more expensive. Then you need to put all the pieces of the pellets in your hopper. This hopper works as a hopper and as a dryer, and as you can see over here, the dryer works as a recommended guide for each of the raw material that you use. For example, if you use polypropylene that is not natural, you need to leave it about 2 hours. Then you need to let the machine heat. This machine contains 2 secure buttons. What you do is you start it, you pull it out, and then you need to check, please come over here, that the molds are really good sustained with your Allen keys. Over here, you need to press them correctly. And also it's really important to check the pressure, and when you close it and the machine is getting, because it doesn't work if it's not closed, it has an alarm, you're really close. And then what happens is that the kneecap needs to be all the way straight so it works and it lets you work. And then the machine is gonna start to get over here by the beverage when it's really hot. And as you can see in the mold, it has a hole here, and what the machine does is when it gets through, all the mold is getting fueled by the plastic you selected, and that's how it works. And this machine has either, it can be manual, it can be semi-manual, and it can be automatic, and that would be how it works.
In the past year, we were so uneducated in the plastic industry that we didn't know how to develop plastic as well as we do now. Right now, the injection molding plastics is one of the main manufacturing process for mass production done in Mexico and worldwide. The reason is because it's low price, it's high liability, and it's helpful in the environment because it's thermal plastic, in which means that it will melt and it won't lose its properties and could be recycled again and again and again, and we could do it as much time as we want. Also, it pushes the Mexican economy with its mass production, in with its mass distribution, and also the worldwide production.
As a personal conclusion, I could learn that plastic is a really good investment for the future. We learned how to use the plastic machine, and I could really see that it was really easy to create the injection molding. The only thing is that it's really expensive at first, but as we can learn, we can make mass production and we can bring it back really quick. And there are a lot of pieces that could make with this machine depending on the mold and the needs. So as an engineer, the injection molding is really interesting and I had a really good experience.
As it has been said before, in class, plastic plays a great role in our lives because humans use plastic every day. We can't pass a single day without using plastic. That is why I can conclude that injection molding is a revolutionary invention for us.
I can conclude as a future industrial engineer that the injection of plastics is one of the fastest processes that help us to do pieces in hours, and in Mexico we can go to another step and make this fastest. I believe that injection molding is one of the best processes created for mass production because it's reliable, it's easy to use, and it's fast.